Welcome everyone. We are discussing trigonometry. Today I will discuss compound angle, chapter of compound angle. So what is compound angle? So look, in trigonometry angles are denoted by capital letters. So capital A and capital B are two angles. So algebraic sum of A and B is A plus B. So A minus B, algebraic sum you can write A plus minus B, or you can say difference of two angles. A plus B plus C, A minus B plus C. So, algebraic sum of two or more angles is called compound angle. So, you should know what is compound angle. So, algebraic sum, you know different kind of sum, vector sum, sum of matrices, so many sums. So algebraic sum, if it is not given, we suppose this is algebraic sum. Algebraic sum of two or more angles is known as compound angle. So, for example, A plus B, A minus B, A plus B plus C. So, they are compound angle. Algebraic sum, or you can say difference. So, this is definition of compound angle. Now, there are 5 theorems on compound angle. There is 5 reasons. So, number 1, A. So, sin A plus B equals to sin A cos B, not sin A plus sin B, cos A sin B. So cos A plus B. So cos A cos B minus sin A sin B. So we are not interested about the proof. For proof, you may consult any standard book. So, this is sin A plus B, this is cos A plus B. So, let us consider proof of A. So, look. So, we only give proof of anyone. So XO A1, this is angle A, A1 OA2, this is B, therefore XO A2 equals to A plus B. So let angle XO A1 equals to A, angle A1 OA2 equals to B. Therefore, angle XOA2 equals to A plus B. Revolving ray OX rotates in anticlockwise direction, makes an angle XOA1 equals to A, A1 OA2 equals to B. Therefore, this. To prove sin A plus B equals to this, cos A plus B equals to this. So, this part is called given part or enunciation. Now construction. P is any point on A2, OA2. So PM and PM are drawn perpendicular to OX and OA1. So NR and NS are perpendicular to OX and PM. So this is construction part. Now proof. Now look, SN and OR, SN parallel OR, SN parallel OR. Therefore SNO equals to NOR equals to A. This is A. So alternative angle. Now triangle PSN, from triangle PSN, S is 90. So therefore PNS plus SPN equals to 90. This one is 90, therefore sum of these two angles is 90. Now call it 1. So angle by construction PNO equals to 90 degree by construction. So this equals to PNS plus SNO equals to 90. So call it 2. Then subtract. So PNS is cancelled. SPN minus SNO equals to 0. So what is SPN? Equals to SNO, and SNO is, we have already proved, this is A. So this is first part of the proof. PSN equals to SNO. SPN minus SNO equals to 0. So this implies SPN equals to SNO equals to A. This is first part of proof. This equals to A. This equals to A. Now we have already proved this equals to A. So this is first part. Listen again. Where OR SN parallel, ON is transversal. Therefore this angle equals to this angle. Alternative. And SPN plus PNS equals to 90, and PNS plus SNO equals to 90. From these two we get SPN equals to SNO equals to A. Now look. So from triangle PMO, from triangle PMO, this angle is A plus B. So sin A plus B equals to PM by OP. This is PM, perpendicular by hypotenuse. Now what is PM? PM is sum of PS plus SN. PM plus SM. Now what is SM? SM is NR. This is a rectangle. So PS plus NR by OP. So PS by OP plus NR by OP. Plus NR by OP. Now look. PS by OP, you are not getting any right angle triangle. So look, if we divide it by PN, so meaning remaining unchanged. So PS by PN, you are getting a right angle, and PN by OP. And this is NR by NR, by OP, not any right angle triangle. So divide by ON by OR. So this step to be noted. This step to be noted. Now, PS, this is angle A. So PS is base. PS by PN, this is cos A. PN, this is opposite of B. So PN is perpendicular. OP is hypotenuse. So this is sin B. NR opposite to A. This is perpendicular. NR by ON. So this is sin A. And ON by OR. ON. So it is B. So this is perpendicular. ON is base. ON by OR. ON by OR. ON by OP. This is OP. ON by OP. This is cos B. So you are getting sin A plus B. Sin A plus B equals to, you write at first sin A cos B plus cos A sin B. Proof. This is proof of the theorem. So, what is main part? You prove first angle SPN equals to 90. Then sin A plus B. Similarly, you can prove cos A plus B. Cos A plus B. So, you complete it. So, cos A plus B. If you take cos A plus B. So, OM by OP. OM by OP. Then, what is OM? OR minus MR. OR minus MR by OP. Then you complete it. Very simple. So, we are not interested about proof. You only remember the result. Now, this is main theorem. Using this theorem, you can also prove this is 2A sin A minus B. So, sin A cos B minus cos A sin B. So, cos A minus B equals to cos A cos B plus sin A sin B. So, for cos it is A minus B, then it is plus. Now, you can prove the result 2 with the help of 1 also. So, look, if you are interested, so we know sin A plus B equals to sin A cos B plus cos A sin B. Now, you have to prove sin A minus B. So, replacing B by minus B. So, what we are getting? Sin A minus B. Sin A cos of minus B. Cos A sin of minus B. So, cos of minus theta is plus cos theta. Sin of minus theta is sin theta. Cos A sin B. Look, main part is proof of A. Sin A plus B. So, from sin A plus B, you get sin A minus B. Similarly, if you replace B by minus B, you get cos A minus B. Now, one more result. So, using 1 or 2, you can prove sin square A plus cos square A equals to 1. So, using above result, prove that. Using above result, prove that sin square A plus cos square A equals to 1. that is 1 or 2. So suppose science we want to prove using suppose 1a. So sin a plus b, you know this one is 1. So a plus b equals to 90, then we get sin 90 equals to 1. So we have to put a plus b equals to 90. Now b is not present, so this is 90 minus a. So putting b equals to 90 minus a in 1, but we are getting sin 90 equals to sin a cos 90 minus a. Cos a sin 90 minus a. So 1 equals to sin a into sin a, cos a into cos a. Sin 90 minus a, so sin square a plus cos square a equals to 1. So this is consequence of above result. Next, so if you want to prove sin square a plus cos square a equals to 1 from 2b, then 1 cos 0 is 1, a minus b equals to 0. That is, you have to put a equals to b. Next, so write 3a. Tan a plus b. So tan a plus tan b by 1 minus tan a tan b. Tan a minus b. So this is b is replaced by minus b. So 1 plus tan a tan b. Number 4, cot a plus b. Cot a cot b minus 1 by cot b plus cot a. And cot a minus b equals to cot a cot b plus 1 by cot b minus cot a. Cot a. So this should be noted. This is cot b minus cot a. And finally, 5a sin a plus b into sin a minus b equals to sin square a minus sin square b. And cos a plus b into cos a minus b. So cos square b minus sin square a. So these are our result. So of this chapter, you have to remember these results. So listen again. What is compound angle? Sin a plus b, cos a plus b. I have already given proof. Using 1, you can prove 2, 3, 4, any proof. Now, application. So in from idea of class 10, we know sin 30, cos 30, 0, 30, 45, 60 and 90. These angles only. Now application. Find the value of sin 15, cos 15, tan 15, cot 15. So sin 75, cos 75, tan 75, cot 75. So application. Now We do not know 15 degree. We know 45 degree, 30 degree, 60 degree. So express 15 degree in terms of known angles. So suppose sine 15. So sine 15 degree equals to sine 45 minus 30. Now look, this is not sine A minus sine B. So formula number 2a sin A cos B. So sin 45 cos 30 minus cos 45 sin 30. So these are well known value of class 10. 1 by root 2, root 3 by 2, 1 by root 2 half. So root 3 minus 1 by 2 root 2. Similarly, you can find any. So 75, 45 plus 30. So suppose tan 15. So tan 15 equals to tan 45 minus 30. So tan A minus B, tan 45 minus tan 30. 1 plus tan 45 tan 30. So this is 1 by root 3. So root 3 minus 1 by root 3 plus 1. And you can rationalize it. So rationalize and you get 2 minus root 3. This is your home task. So rationalize and you try to solve the rest part. So multiple of 15, you know 30, 45, 60, but 75. 75 is 45 plus 30. Then you can take also 105, 90 into 1 plus 15. So 105 can be expressed in terms of 15 degree. So this is application. Now second set of application. Now application. So sin A equals to 3 by 5. A belongs to first quadrant. Cos B equals to minus 12 by 30. B belongs to third quadrant. 180 to 3 pi by 2. Sin A minus B, cos A plus B, tan A minus B. So look, sin A minus B. Sin A minus B. What is formula of sin A minus B? Sin A cos B minus cos A sin B. Now look, sin A is given, cos B is given, but cos A and sin B you have to find. So sin A equals to 3 by 5 implies cos A equals to 4 by 5. You can write it directly. So 3, this is 5, base is 4. So 4 by 5. And A belongs to first quadrant. So since it is positive, 0 less than A less than pi by 2. Cos A is positive. Now cos B equals to minus 12 by 13. It lies in third quadrant. So what is sin B? Sin B. So base 12, this is 13. So what is perpendicular? 13 square minus 12 square. So 169 by 144. So 25. This is 5. So 5 by 13. So what is sin B? 5 by 13. Actually it is plus minus. And it belongs to third quadrant. So with proper sign, this is minus 5 by 13. So this should be noted. Listen. Sin A 3 by 5. Obviously cos A 4 by 5. It belongs to first quadrant. All are positive. So cos B negative, sin B also negative in third quadrant. So this is minus 5 by 13. So put the value. So sin A 3 by 5, cos B minus 12 by 13 minus, what is cos A, 4 by 5, sin B, what is sin B, 5 by 13 with negative sign. So 20 by 65, this is positive, 36 by 65. So this is 20 and this is 36. So minus 16 by 65. Minus 16 by 65. So this is sin A minus B. Similarly, you can find cos tan. So cos B is given, you can find tan A. Sin A is given, you can find tan A, and cos B is given, you can find tan B. So you complete the rest of the part. Next, cos A is given, cos B is given, and A and B are in fourth quadrant. Find cos A plus B and sin A minus B. Exactly same. So cos A equals to 4 by 5 implies sin A equals to minus 3 by 5. So A belongs to third. That is why it is negative. Now cos B equals to, what is cos B? 12 by 13. 12 by 13. 12 by 13. So this implies sin B equals to 5 by 13. So this is B belongs to third. This is also negative sign. Mind it, you have to take proper sign. It is minus, it is minus. Put formula and you get the result. Now we consider same type of basic problems. So for A, B, C, D. So one problem is sufficient. Suppose for A, cos A, cos B. This is A, cos A, cos B minus sin A, sin B. So what is formula of cos A plus B? So cos A, cos B. Cos A minus B plus sin A, sin B, and cos A plus B equals to cos A cos B minus sin A sin B. So this. So this is expanded form, cos A cos B minus sin A sin B. So what is formula? Cos A plus B. What is A? Pi by 4 minus A. And this is pi by 4 minus B. So listen again. This is A, this is B. So cos A plus B. So this is cos pi by 4, pi by 4. This is pi by 2. And this is A plus B. Now cos 90 minus theta is sin theta. So sin A plus B equals to RHS. Sin A plus B equals to RHS. And rest are exactly same. So consider problem number D. Cos A cos B minus cos A cos B. Sorry, this one is obviously 0. So you cancel the D part. So look, cos A cos B minus sin A sin B. So this is cos A plus B, 52 degree 63 minutes plus 37 degree 27 minutes. So this is 89 degree 89 degree, and this should be 60. So correct it. It is wrong. This is 43. This is 33. You take it 33. You take it 33. 52 degree 33 minutes. So make some correction, otherwise you do not get answer in this form. So 89 degree and this is 60 minutes. So 60 minutes is 1 degree. So this is 90 degree. So cos 90 is 0. Cos 90 is 0. So this is very simple problem. Today we are considering only the simple one. Now we consider two more same type of problem. So problem number 5. So working tool, you look, sin A plus B into sin A minus B equals to sin square A minus sin square B, and cos A plus B cos A minus B equals to cos square B minus sin square B. So these are our working tool. Now problem number 5. So sin square A minus sin square B. Sin square A minus sin square B. So LHS. Sin square A minus sin square B. What is the formula? Sin A plus B. What is A? Pi by 8 plus A by 8. A plus B, pi by 8 minus A by 2. So sin A plus B into sin. What is A? Pi by 8 plus A by 2 minus pi by 8 minus A by 2. So simplify. So sin pi by 4. So A by 2 cancel. Into sin A by 2 is A. So 1 by 2 into sin. So this is very simple, and this is of 1 mark problem. Now the second one, you look, second one. So consider LHS. So this is cos square. So if you put value of cos A minus B, it is lengthy. So look, this is our LHS. You have to prove sin square A. So cos square be unchanged and cos A minus B is common. So what you are getting here, cos A minus B minus 2 cos A cos B. Cos A minus B, 2 cos A cos B. Now cos square be unchanged. This is cos A minus B. So cos A cos B plus sin A sin B minus 2 cos A cos B. Expansion of cos A minus B. Now simplify the bracket portion. So cos square B plus cos A minus B, and this is minus cos A cos B plus sin A sin B. So you take minus common, cos square B minus cos A minus B. So this will be cos A cos B minus sin A sin B. Now this is well-known problem, well-known formula. Trigonometry is application of formula. So this is cos A plus B. This one Now cos A plus B into cos A minus equals to cos square B minus sin square A. So cos square B cancel, sin square A equals to RHS. RHS. So look, cos square B, so cos A minus B common, then this part, formula of cos A minus B, take minus common, again formula of cos A plus B, now cos A plus B into cos A minus B. Mind it, it is not cos square B minus cos square A. So this is cos square B minus sin square A. Next problem, two very simple problem 6 and 7. So tan 54 in terms of cos 9 and sin 9. So you complete it. It is very simple. I am giving hint. Look, this is 9 and tan 45 is 1. So 6. So LHS, RHS, you consider RHS, tan 54. So tan 45 plus 9, because it is in terms of 9. So tan 45 plus tan 9 by 1 minus tan 45, tan 9. So 1 plus tan 9 by 1 minus tan 9. And if you write in terms of sin and cos, you get cos 9 plus sin 9. Cos 9 minus sin 9 equals to LHS. LHS. So this is 1 mark problem. Now if you want to prove it from left hand side, so this is our left hand side. Right hand side is in terms of tan. So formula of tan is tan A plus tan B by 1 minus tan A tan B. So these places, this is 1. That is why, so look, this is our left hand side. You have to divide by cos 9. So 1 plus tan 9, 1 minus tan 9. This one can replace as tan 45 plus tan 9. This one unchanged, and this one is tan 45 into tan 9, then tan 45 plus 9, tan 54. And you complete the problem number 7. Write formula of sin B minus C and divide, C minus A, divide, and this you will get result. So today I have considered only simple, very simple problem of compound angle. So in the next class I will take 3 more classes for this chapter. I will consider the medium and then difficult problem of this chapter. So thank you.